частями розірвало.
A Russian soldier shows the aftermath of a Ukrainian drone strike on a Bukanka car belonged to his comrades in the Kursk region.
Он прям по запчастям разорвало. Баллон, смотри, с пропаном. Отойди. Это нихуя не мина. Все целое.
Ukrainian soldiers have captured another batch of occupiers from Buryatia.
Даже пока стоим здесь. Давай, убегай. Убегайся, дальше, проходи дальше. Нет, теснимся, блядь. Маячим на улице. Ну, спокойно стоишь, без движения.
For the sake of a 5-second fake video with the Russian flag, Russia lost 3 assault groups in Novoyegorivka. Out of 15 occupiers, only 1 survived and was captured.
On January 28th of the year 25, under my command, 3 groups were formed to storm Novogorovka. In fact, out of 15 people, only 3 made it. The rest were either 300 or 200. Our command forced us at a convenient time to display the Russian flag and capture it with drones. Literally a 5-second video. As it became known later, this was their justification to their leadership that Novoyegorovka is a Russian village, but in fact it belongs to the defense of the armed forces of Ukraine.
Russian commanders have introduced a new training method, using grenades as the ultimate test of endurance. If you don't flinch at the explosion, you're deemed ready to fight for Putin.
Давай. Ёбаная лошадь, нахуй. Бегом марш, блядь.
Давай оборона у тебя. Сил, стойка. Автомат хватит.
Воины, блядь.
Держим! Да!
It seems Russian authorities are preparing their audience for the end of the war, just not as they hoped. We think that some American Putin lovers should see this also. Russian State Duma Deputy Tsarev acknowledged that capturing Donbass will take years at the current pace, making it impossible to destroy Ukraine.
5 times faster than last year. We did well, we sped up, but at this pace to liberate the entire Donetsk region, it will take 3 years or more. Just in the Donetsk region, 30 square kilometers per day. Just simple math. That is, if we hope that we will just go at a pace of 30 kilometers per day, well, it won't be 100 years, but it will take a very long time. With Ukraine, in any case, we will need to work. This is a country you can't get away from. They are our neighbors, brothers by blood. These tales about being enemies forever are just that, tales. We've been through so much. What kinds of wars, civil wars, invasions, divisions, troubled times, and we always united again, and it will be the same now.
Zelensky. The war will end when Ukraine secures a just peace. He emphasized that this peace must honor those who sacrificed their lives, ensuring they are never forgotten. Justice and accountability are essential, and only when these are guaranteed will the war truly end. He also added that transitioning to diplomatic solutions does not necessarily mean the war is over. Protests continue in Georgia. During the demonstrations, Nika Melia, leader of the pro-European party Akali, was detained. Protesters try to block major transport routes in Tbilisi. Many are brutally detained by security forces. As of February 2, 2025, Georgia is experiencing significant political unrest, marked by widespread protests and governmental actions that have drawn international concern. On February 2, 2025, during a large-scale protest in Tbilisi, several anti-government demonstrators were detained, including Nika Melia, a prominent opposition leader, and former Tbilisi mayor Georgi Ugulava. The protesters had briefly blocked a major motorway, demanding new parliamentary elections following the ruling Georgian Dream Party's decision to suspend European Union accession talks until 2028. In reaction to the government's crackdown on pro-EU protests, the European Union foreign ministers approved the suspension of visa-free travel for Georgian officials holding diplomatic passports on January 27, 2025. This measure aims to target leading Georgian politicians without affecting ordinary citizens. Amnesty International reported that several hundred protesters have been detained since November 29, 2024. With more than 300 alleging beatings and other ill treatment while in custody.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.